Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I've already just cut the top open. So this is an eBay buy. So we'll see what we've got. Lots of stuff by the looks of it. And I can't remember what it is, so it was bought a little while ago. Wrapped in cardboard paper instead of in bubble wrap. Oh, look, here we go. Oh, looky. Nice little switcher. 41018. Lovely little switcher. Philadelphia, Bethlehem and New England. Okay, and the glazing's moved on that side of it, but looks lovely. 51. Nice little switcher. Couplings come out of the back there, so yeah, cool. Let's give it a battery test, eh? See what happens. And there we go, she runs. Just moves. Alright. Okay, so that's a runner. Whoop whoop. Nice little switcher, that one. Lovely. Just needs a coupling at the back. And for the next one. Oh, whoop, whoop. We've got a Bachmann made in China. Oh, I can see that all the rods are bent. I can see Sherwood Forester. It's missing the front bogie wheels and not supplied. And it's missing a set of middle wheels. So there you go. And that one has actually got the metal wheels coming off the plastic. So, surprising. Don't recall it seeing that it had all that sort of stuff, but the way it's packaged, no wonder. And that wheel has got the spike on the wheel missing, so no wonder it's fallen in. So this is obviously a repair for me. But yeah, no spare parts. Let's see if she actually runs or not. Oh, look at that. Alright. With those rods, let me see. See that rod there? That's bent in. So if we can straighten that up a bit. No, maybe not. It definitely needs just a quick once over. And that out a bit. It's a bit better. And that one out a bit. Maybe. Just gently. Just trying to straighten it up a bit. That's all I'm trying to do. Not bend the shit out of it. But sometimes you've just got to be a little bit careful with what you do. But yeah. So she's missing that whistle. I just noticed the whistle there, if you can see it. It's bent out of place. Very basic. She's got bent posts there for the handrail. No handrail on this side. It's got that stickers on it, which I don't think it should be there. But Sherwood Forester it says. So there's no coupling on the front. Part of the front foot plate's missing and the front bogie wheels. But alright. I think I got that fairly cheap for that, so yeah. But she definitely needs a bit of a once over, so yeah, nice little score. I'll just give them a quick once over and put them on the track, and I'll be back.